Hello everyone, this is just a quick video that I wanted to make to show how you can check if the latency profile feature is available on your computer after installing the June 2026 security update. For additional details about this feature and how to get it, make sure to check the link in the description. So because latency profile is a feature that works in the background, there is no front-facing option, turn on and off, or to see if the feature is actually working. So the quickest way that you can tell is by using the Pureinfotech app, which you can get from the Microsoft Store, and just clicking the install button. Once that is installed, you just launch it, and then you're going to get this CPU widget, as you can see right here. And the key thing here is to make sure that you're working with a desktop environment without any of your typical running applications. So in this case, I'm just going to close the Microsoft Store and File Explorer. So as you can see, I only have the Pureinfotech app on the computer, and here you can see the current frequency of the CPU. Now, if you just restarted the computer, make sure that you leave it to calm down for at least 1 or 2 minutes to load all the services in the background. And then when you see something similar to this, now we can test it out. So I'm just going to do 2 tests because the features are still under development, so it works in certain scenarios. So first, we're going to open the Start menu, and then we're going to see all the cores going up from 1 to 3 seconds. We're going to try one more time. There you go. Now I'm just going to open Quick Settings. And that's it. That is a quick way that you can check if the latency profile is enabled on your computer. So you just need to make sure that when you perform an action, such as opening the Start menu or Quick Settings, will max out the frequency, or it's going to go near to its maximum frequency for a few seconds, and then it will just drop. Now, let me know in the comments if you tested this out and if you have the feature enabled on your computer. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.